Mama wakwaba the aba GC and pages so. Midin the Addo searching. And then the day the kanya with the ATM ya. Mesro now was subscribe to my channel. We are now doing sa emia bell on so. Ube a notification. And it's an news said the betumbia ube ye BT and I say ube ye biashe. Ewo GC and page ha. Ura Mac Jerry. Eye Juma ewo Neat FM ono and sometimes o host the program about in the Ghana Muntie and afenso Torchlight. Na Mac Jerry and our say ni sama okay na ni say Ghanaians we are not being fair to his excellency. Na na do dankwa Akufo Addo. Na dentia Ura Mac Jerry e kan say na ni say ewo Torchlight jumedi sorry Ghana Muntie jumedi so no. Every morning bia omo ya newspaper review discussion na Kobnamafo ena oye sa discussion no. Na newspaper review discussion eba endra ye honorable Amoakwata road minister sisie ose tobut na omo closing it down omo sanso akwakofaba na e was a discussion in seminar eba newspaper ma omo ye ho discussion no ena ura Kobnamafo ekyerese sisie no na Addo no wa ye se obi a wa hye dada unyane na enyane sisi aso be ka che na Addo bia no onte NNPP amayokun de wo penkwa na wo ye sisi etobuti a mu closing ne dawe mo pa chese ena mo sanso akofa aba na eye road minister Uramu Akwata chese sisi tobuti na sanso aba no wo meje 10 pesos 20 pesos 50 pesos bi odabi wo betumi ye because Ghana for more complaints am akwan na enye ne so sika ena wode ye enti ne sisi ne mu hye mu nsapo mu nsu ye papa na sa discussion e call so ewo Ghana muntie so ena Ura Mac Jerry ena Kobnamafo echese sisi Mac Jerry na echese ono no tobuti na sanso aba no ontia but guno mu hu na otia because akost Ghana sika we na atu egu akost Ghana ye papa na Kobnamafo echese sisi na ndis from home left and right home left and right kra ese nkomo payenchew se tobuti omo closing no omo de back no omo payenchew na no na Mac Jerry echese se ye kasa nso a ye kasa e bia tobuti no omo de ba no enya anase ye nji ntuma ya anye fair to Addo because abra Addo e ka se tobuti omo closing down no Addo susu se tax no dos no do enti se tobuti ne closing down ye 211 na ka bia betinya ya de but 11 so ye ntua tax Addo baba bia na Ghana for kasa enti se tobuti na sanso aba ene ye nji ntum se ye sanso kasa ho bi odi a na ya ye fair to Addo yenti nsema Ura Mac Jerry ede etudwa
ni sisi amampeni Addo suba ya se obi a wahye daada ni nyane ya papa de wono ahye da se wada ni nyane ya
Kwamena be fair also to the president because you wono ma bebre wo ho a omampeni ne ye se ode ba Ghana for kasa ho a ohwesensan Machia sensan
ade na eye de se
enti enye ni nyina
manfo ho ato mu
enye ni nyina
na wo manfo nsu wo manfo ntete ade na chen wei sa wo bebu man na wo manfo ho beto mu wo manfo akoma beto mu yem na yan tete
me was specific problem ewo eye sa to boot na ye free ho no specifically no me hu ni say na enye decision a sebe na eye legitimate enye decision na eto asum
ma jari na wo fra no ntumo aso wo ma anwene ho that's the word
wo ma anwen ho
good
and wo take is a decision
excellent
eti na honorable Amoakwata enre wo kasa no bigidi se wo kra na se wo de eye sabi ebuo bi de ma gen Ghana fo na wo pa ye chew se no kura nie
chew pa
wa anwen ho na wo yi to ni free wo na mom wo san kase be ka kire ye se we ye emeya nya ya dwen se ye betuetua 11 cedi ni se 50 pesos no se ye de pe kwan papa
minister
honorable me wo fa no kwabena kwa so no wo fa no wo fa so no ma ye wo media no de ye doso be ka to so honorable we de wan kan yie kura etiefo mamesa mo ne ni biem tie some kind tie ne yie
highways when built to the right specification will come with towing facilities, but those towing facilities, will be electronic towing facilities. It won't come like the form we used to have in the past, where people were in a queue for a very long time. The whole year, we were getting an average of 78 million, cedis. If you deduct salaries and whatever from it, how much is left? Depending upon the ground condition, that amount of money cannot even build 10 kilometers of road. And I'm saying, depending upon the ground conditions of the road that you want to construct. If all of us had contributed to the e-levy, it would have brought in a lot of money to replace the original toll booths. And we would have built more roads for ourselves. Tolls have not been cancelled or abolished. The law is still there. So if they have to be in the queue for 2, 3 hours, 4 hours, and you get there and you pay 50 pesos, Ghana was paying the lowest toll in the whole world. I challenge anybody who can tell me any country which was paying tolls lower than Ghana. We were paying the lowest toll in the whole world. Okay? Meanwhile, we want excellent, good roads in our country. And rightly so. If every Ghanaian, including yourself, myself, yes, we want good things, we must be prepared to pay for tolls. If they should come back, gradually, one way or the other, it will come in a different form. We will no longer be paying the 50 pesos and the 1 cedis, and it will come. If you travel abroad, tolls, and many people travel abroad, okay? Tolls, very expensive, okay? Tolls are very...
Me, bitimi transactions wo me momo so ama MTN for me MTN momo no wamutimi send me interest of 43 Ghana cedis.
Omosanya DN, Womosanya NDC. So you get an NDC president, NDC DCE, NDC MMDCE, NDC how do you call it? Assemblyman in the voter region. For 29 years, they couldn't develop voter region. Now John Mahama is promising voter region people that, this time when I come, I'll pay attention to voter region. Now men come free voter. Na imagine ye juma ankame okasa wie ye na maji Mike ni mabisa say can you account for us that Keta Sea defense money President Akufo went to bring for it to protect us, the people of Keta? Please, can you account for that money? Me say me come here this near and come bisa Mahama say aden ye this sikama say for be sea defense obo ye ho ban na nsuo no yiri a embechi amfa ye so amfa ye njapade amfa ye noba ye amfa ye niama. But NDC if we go voter region etna say ena papa na ye this man say on fanya sea defense na to yire nchemo etisa antomo no okoto mo 10 bags and konto local rice kura nanka local producers no enyes kadebi okoto long grain rice perfume rice 10 bags oto esichire 10 bags nkatie 10 bags ye atoko esam kakra and ye sardine box